Guys, meron ako share sa inyo isang brand na very surprising, no? Naglabas sila ng smartphone here in the Philippines. And guys, meet TCL. Hawak na natin here on my hand is the TCL 20 SE. I'm curious with this phone, no? And it's a new player here in the smartphone industry. So tara, buksan muna natin itong TCL 20 SE. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. So nakita na natin ang full unboxing ng TCL 20 SE dito sa ating channel. And right now, hawak na natin dito ang phone mismo. It's the color Aurora Green and it really looks nice. Here in person, maganda siya, no? And yung pagka-green niya is not your ordinary green. So medyo may pagka-jade green siya, no? More than Aurora Green for me, Just that's, of course, that's my opinion. Very elegant naman siya tingnan, no? But of course, there's also another color that you can choose, which is the black color. Equally nice din siya. Parang itong Aurora Green ko. So this phone has a chipset na hindi na sobrang bago, no? So this is a chipset from last year and it's the Snapdragon 460. This is a 11 nanometer chip, no? Then together with a 4 gigs of RAM and a 64 gigs of storage inside this phone. The kanyang SIM slot, no, is a hybrid SIM. So meaning pag either use dalawang nano SIM or you use a micro SD expansion plus a nano SIM. So nirate ni Antutu, binigay siya 127,000 points. For me, this is just a very basic na score, no? A little above 100, no? So malalaman natin later ang kanyang performance. So this is a very surprising fact na nakita ko, no? This one has a wideband security level 1. sa DRM info, no? Which is para makanood ka ng mga HD dito sa phone na ito. So, swiping left and right dito sa TCL UI running Android 11 is very, very smooth. Wala namang naging problema. And ang kanyang viewing angle is very, very large. So, this phone has a 6.82 IPS LCD 720p. And what's best dito sa kanya is that it has a next vision na display, no? Yun ang technology na dinedeploy na dito, no? Making yung display, pag naka-on ng next vision na mode, no? Mas maganda, mas matingkad ang yung display, yung parang mas maganda yung pagka-HDR. Ine-enhance niya eh. Meron siyang engine dito sa loob ng phone na ito which enhances the display. Which is, yun ang kanyang selling point ng phone na ito. So, true enough na tinry natin i-on and off ang next vision na, na mode, no? So, makikita natin on the same picture, parang mas lively konti ang photos when you're using the next vision mode, which is very nice dito sa phone na ito. So, tinry natin manood ng YouTube dito and it's really nice since ang laki na yung display plus ang ganda ng yung sounds, no? Since this phone has a stereo sound together with the high-res audio, kaya ang ganda ng sound nitong sa phone na ito. It's very, very enjoyable watching these videos. Ang ganda ng display, no? Though yung, no? Yung mga chin niya plus yung teardrop notch niya is a little bit big, no? Which is taking a little bit bigger space. Siguro kung ninipisan pa nila yung chin neto, no? Might have been 6.9 inch ang kanyang screen. Mas malaki ang viewing angle natin. Better. So, tinry natin maglaro ng games, no? Call of Duty, here's the phone na ito. It did play pero medyo mababang kanyang settings. So, we just have to lower the settings para makapaglaro ng maayos. And, well, it did perform. Nakapagtapos ng mga several games and I was able to enjoy. Pero of course, yung display wasn't really that nice since mababa lang resolution ng sinet ko. Together, ang ganda dito sa kanya is ang laki ng viewing angle ko sa Battlefield, which gives me the edge, no, pagdating sa laban. Overall ka ng gameplay, no, it's okay, but of course, if you're expecting something better, medyo madidismaya ka konti kasi, of course, siyempre, Snapdragon 460 lang naman ito. So, this phone has 4 cameras. It has the 16MP wide sensor, 5MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP depth sensor, and 2MP macro lens. Ang kanyang harap is a 8MP teardrop notch camera. Tara, silipin mo natin ilang shots. So, napagkuha tayo ng ilang outdoor shots, no? And guys, I was surprised that this phone was able to take in some good photos outdoors and also some decent photos from the indoors. Now, silipin muna natin ilang photos using its front camera. So guys, nakita natin, no, some outdoors na selfie photos is nice. Really, masasabi ko sa'yo, ang ganda. Pero there are some indoor photos and outdoor photos na malakas ang araw. Medyo nahirapan siya mag-focus. No? Out of focus siya. Nahirapan siya mag-focus dahil siguro sa lightings. And, well, yan lang siguro ang pinaka-maximum na capability nitong camera na ito. Malay mo, ma-upgrade siya ng firmware update at gumanda pa lalo. Guys, malaki rin ang kanyang battery, though. It has a 5,000 mAh of battery supporting up to 18 watts of fast charging. So, dinain ko ang battery nito down to 18% and chinarge ko pabalik ng 100. Using the default cable and default charger, umabot tayo ng 2 hours and 48 minutes para matapos lang siya, no? And checking out PCMark battery stress test, nakakuha siya ng 15 hours and 18 minutes na screen on time. Makunat, not bad. So guys, fully reviewed na natin ang TCL 20SE. So ano masasabi niyo dito sa bagong player na to? For me, okay naman siya, no? Though yung setback nito could have been yung processor niya, but overall, masasabi ko sa'yo, this phone can really perform. Lalo nga ng next vision na display on this phone is something worth mentioning na maganda dito sa phone na ito. Guys, this phone is retailing at 7,990. I'll post the link below kung saan na pwede bilhin tong phone na ito, no? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. So guys, and reminder lang sa inyo, my road to 100,000 subscriber video na massive giveaway is still ongoing. Kung di pa kayo nakasali, sali na kayo. Bahalay mo, manalo kayo ng 1 out of 3 premium phones. So I hope to see you on the next one.